welcome to Rosewood, one of the cutest little towns in southeast Queensland, and my hometown. I have the privilege here today to sell you a piece of Rosewood history, something really special, something I think you're going to love. Let's have a look. This outstanding property was built in 1915 and boy has it seen some changes. Meticulously renovated over the past 6 years, they've unearthed some amazing gems, like this stunning archway, hidden away for the past 50 years. Well, it looks like time's up. I hope you enjoyed your tour of this prestigious property. It's unique, historic, it's a timeless classic, but maybe it's the perfect family home for you.